Welcome back to the luxury, elegance, and American craftsmanship. The 2026 Lincoln Premier is here to redefine sophistication in the modern era. Today, we're diving deep into its exterior, interior, performance, and final verdict. So, let's get started. Exterior. The 2026 Lincoln Premier brings back the glory days of full-size American luxury with a bold yet graceful presence. At the front, a mesmerizing illuminated Lincoln emblem is seamlessly integrated into a sleek, full-width LED light bar that connects its signature adaptive pixel headlights. The grille design, inspired by aviation, gives it a commanding look on the road. Flowing lines in a pillarless hardtop silhouette harken back to the iconic Lincoln Premiers of the 1950s, now with a frameless glass roof that enhances its futuristic design. Chrome accents along the doors and the flush door handles provide a modern touch without compromising its classic DNA. At the back, we see a coast-to-coast LED taillight strip paired with a sculpted rear bumper that integrates chrome exhaust tips for the gas-powered variant or a sleek diffuser for the EV model. The 20 to 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels complete the look, making the Premier stand out in any crowd. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends heritage craftsmanship with modern innovation. Lincoln has gone all out with premium bridge of Weir leather, open-pore wood, and a crystal-inspired floating center console. The massive 15-inch OLED touchscreen dominates the dash, running Lincoln's next General Sync infotainment system with seamless over-the-air updates. And for those who love physical controls, a minimalist yet elegant knurled metal dial remains for volume and climate adjustments. The perfect position 30-way adjustable seats now come with climate-sensing massage technology, ensuring ultimate comfort. Rear passengers aren't left out either. Reclining heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic, Constellation, Starlight headliner, and an exclusive rear infotainment screen make this a true executive experience. A 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D sound system delivers a concert-like audio experience, while wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple fast-charging USB-C ports ensure seamless connectivity. Performance. The 2026 Lincoln Premier isn't just about luxury, it's got power to back it up. It comes with two powertrain options. 3.5L twin-turbo V6 producing 400 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and optional AWD. All-electric variant Premier EV featuring dual motors, AWD, and an estimated 500 horsepower with a 350-mile range. Lincoln has enhanced its adaptive air suspension for a magic carpet-like ride. The Premier's Whisper mode ensures near-silent operation, while an advanced driver assistance suite offers hands-free highway driving. The 2026 Lincoln Premier isn't just a car, it's an experience. Whether you choose the powerful twin-turbo V6 or the cutting-edge EV, you're guaranteed a ride that exudes elegance, innovation, and refinement. With a starting price of around $75,000 and topping out near $100,000 for the fully loaded EV variant, this is Lincoln's boldest step yet toward the future of luxury motoring. Would you take the new Lincoln Premier for a spin? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews.